Hello friends, in this unit we are going to discuss about the state level institutions. So state level institutions in India determines a major role in the aspects of development as it intends to promote successive growth of small as well as medium enterprises concerning states in particular. State level institutions play a crucial role in shaping the socio-economic landscape of a region or state. These institutions are established by state governments to address specific developmental needs, that is to promote growth and ensure effective governance at the local level. The state level institutions comprises state financial corporations and state industrial development corporations in major. Other financial institutions which can be included under state level institutions are Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited and Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. So first we are going to discuss about the state financial corporations. So what are state financial corporations? State financial corporations refers to a body that is established by Government of India in order to provide quality support to enhance and grow the economy. State financial corporations were established under the State Financial Corporation Act of 1951. This act aimed to bridge the gap in financing available to small and medium-sized industrial enterprises which often faced challenges in accessing credit from traditional banking sources. The economy can develop itself by promoting various industries on small and medium scales. This is effectively done by providing them with monetary support. These institutions uh, plays a vital role in effectively balancing development with the rural arena by encouraging higher investment and as well as improving the rates associated with employment. In addition to it, state level financial corporation supports the development of broad ownerships depending upon various industries. So what is the major role of state financial corporations? If we see, the major role of state financial corporation is to provide financial assistance and support to small and medium enterprises within their respective states. That's why they play a pivotal role in promoting industrialization, entrepreneurship and economic growth by offering term loans, underwriting services and financial advisory to small and medium enterprises. So when we come to the impact of state financial corporations, they basically contribute to industrial development, job creation and regional economic progress. They bridge the gap in financing available to small and medium enterprises and promote balanced growth across different sectors of the economy. So coming to the organization of state financial corporations, it basically consists of a board of 10 directors which manages these organizations. The state government appoints the managing director generally in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India and nominates the name of other 3 directors. All insurance companies, scheduled banks, investment trusts, cooperative banks and other financial institutions elect these 3 directors. Thus, the state government and quasi-government institutions nominate the majority of the directors in these state financial corporations. So coming to the functions of the state financial corporations, state financial corporations play a wide role in terms of the progress of small and medium enterprises. So some of the functions which state financial corporations execute are these corporations finance fixed assets such as land, construction, equipment and machinery. The state financial corporations assist in industrial companies that have paid up capital and reserves of less than rupees 3 crores or such a higher limit as may be determined by the central government. The state financial corporations guarantee new industrial unit stocks, shares, debentures and other instruments. These organizations offer guarantee loans to scheduled banks, industrial enterprises and state cooperative banks that have raised funds on the capital market. The loans are payable in 20 years and guaranteed by state financial corporations. Further, these state financial corporations also refinance term loans of up to rupees 20 lakh from other financial institutions. These state financial corporations help small and medium enterprises by providing loans for the purchase of plant and machinery, equipment, tools, etc. The state financial corporations also offer venture capital funding to small and medium enterprises. Further, they provide term loans to sick units for rehabilitation process. These organizations also undertake developmental activities such as establishing industrial estates, providing infrastructure, facilities, etc. So these were the functions of state financial corporations. Now coming to the problems faced by the state financial corporations. These state financial corporations have been plagued by several problems in the recent years which have led to their declining role in the Indian economy. Some of the major problems faced by state financial corporations are that since they have a high proportion of non-performing assets which has eroded their capital, and that's why their performance has declined in the recent years. The state financial corporations are highly dependent on the state government for capital infusion, which is often not forthcoming promptly. Further, these organizations are dependent on the state government for capital infusion. That's why they are not performing in the manner as they were expected. So these state financial corporations have been hit hard by the recent economic downturn, as many of their borrowers are small businesses and farmers who have been adversely affected by the slowdown. These state financial corporations are also facing competition from newer players such as non-banking financial corporations and microfinance institutions, which are better equipped to serve the needs of small businesses and farmers. As a result, most of the state financial corporations in India are connected to the World Bank and World Trade Organization rules. Therefore, these organizations' choices are thus influenced by the World Bank and WTO policies as a result of their agreements. The World Bank has a lot of power over India since it's the largest development financier in the world. It can easily push for its ideas to be implemented. Therefore, it has a detrimental impact on these organizations and on India's small-scale industry. So this was all about the state financial corporations. Now coming to the another state level institutions, that is your state industrial development corporations. These state industrial development corporations falls under the state level institutions in India which are associated with the development of industrial sectors, thereby effectively enhancing the economy. Moreover, these organizations aim at successive enhancements in the small, micro, and as well as medium scale organizations of our business. These institutions is quite effective in providing assistance in entrepreneurship formation and as well as take care of effective development of required skills that are essential in the pathway of development. These organizations also provide development with respect to the infrastructure of industries in marketing and advertisement. So what are the major objectives behind establishing these state industrial development corporations? First thing is that these organizations, these corporations engage in the development of micro, small and medium-sized businesses. They assist these small-scale industries or enterprises in the formation of entrepreneurship and development of skills. It aids in the development of industrial infrastructure and its goal is to help businesses with publicity and marketing aspects. So what are the functions of your state industrial development corporations? The state industrial development corporations engaged in the development of industries and provide loans, stocks, subscriptions and guarantees to the variety of businesses in diverse industries. They help to speed up the process of industrialization in the Indian states where they operate. They support financially by loans, underwriting or direct subscriptions to debentures and shares, guarantees and other ways. They also run a variety of promotional initiatives such as entrepreneurship training and project discovery. They help to get raw materials for both the domestic and foreign markets and make them available to small scale companies in need and according to their specifications. These organizations also make advance payment to get orders and distribute them across numerous small scale enterprises. When industrial entities supply items to government departments, payments are frequently delayed. As a result, these are the organizations which discount invoices drawn on government departments to minimize such delays. State industrial development corporations also uses a variety of programs to give effective marketing support to diverse industrial units. These organizations are invited to bid on tenders issued by the state government departments. They further aid in the resolution of various industrial units' working capital issues. The state industrial development corporations also assist in the establishment of skill development centers which teach people a variety of skills and industrial operations. This is to guarantee that skilled laborers are available for diverse small-scale companies or enterprises. It further assists small-scale businesses in participating in international trade shows so that their production can be shown. Further, the state industrial corporations engage in the development and also support industrial businesses run by the women. Further, both these organizations are underlooked by a third organization known as Council, that is known as Council of State Industrial Development and Investment Corporations of India. This council is a national organization founded in 1976. It takes the charge of overseeing and managing the state financial corporations and state industrial development corporations and even state infrastructure development corporations. This council includes 56 state level institutions as members as of 1999. There are 18 state financial corporations, 28 state industrial development corporations and 10 state infrastructure development corporations among the 56 institutions. The major objective of this council is to liaise with and to represent to the central and state governments, term lending and other financial institutions on the common problems and issues of member corporations. It promotes coordination, collaboration, joint participation and general understanding among the member corporations of this council. It further render assistance to member corporations in their efforts to improve efficiency of operations of their assisted and sponsored units. It organizes common service facilities, training courses, seminars, meetings and study tours for the benefit of member corporations. It sponsors studies, surveys, research and development projects pertaining to industries. Further, establish and maintain at the Register Office a commercial and technical library and information center for the use of member corporations. This was all about the state level institutions. Thank you everybody.